the application may be tricky. Just swipe across or pretty much tap on the next option here and just go ahead and continue to tap on the next until you have reached the end screen. You'll be greeted with your subscription page, and we'll get into this very later on in the video. Anyways, this is pretty much the home screen of the application. As you can see here, a lot of AI templates which you can use. You have the trending option. These AI templates are pretty much trending right now. As you can see here, a lot of them. You have some other figure in action template here as well. You have the LinkedIn profile or profile picture templates. You have a lot of templates which you can choose from. So all you have to do is just select the one that you want to use. Let's say you want to use this option here. All you have to do is just to apply a clear image of yourself similar to this one here, and you pretty much get these results. That's how easy it is to use. But just to keep in mind, going to need a subscription to even use this application. So do keep that in mind as well. So down here you have a lot of different templates, and if you do want to see more of, let's say for example, in one of these templates here, for this one here, you can tap on see all option and you'll be able to see more of these templates, and you can pretty much select the one that you want to use. And once you've done that, it will pretty much ask you to upload a photo of yourself, clear photo of yourself to get these results. So very easy. So in the AI tool section here, you can do the face swap option where you just upload your face. Let's say for example this option here, just upload your face, something. Let's say for example this one here, upload your face, and you'll be able to swap it with something that you want to swap it with, basically. And as well, you have the image generation feature, and here you'll be able to enter your prompt. And once you have entered your prompt, let's say you enter a cat here and tap on improved prompt, it will pretty much give your prompt better results, I should say. And as well, you can add a photo as it relates to your reference, so you can get better results as it relates to the cat. So down here, be able to select your aspect ratio for that image that you want to generate. Here, as you can see, a lot of aspect ratio. Here you have the free option, and once you've pretty much selected everything that's needed, you just tap on generate here. You can either watch an ad or get their premium subscription. As said before, you're going to need a subscription to use the application here. But over, you can tap on the watch ad feature here, and it will pretty much start generating, or will load up an ad once it's finished generating. So that's really pretty much how you use the application. As you can see here, this is the image that's been generated. It looks very, very clean, not gonna lie. And if you want to save it as well, you pretty much have to tap on the save option here, and it will load up an ad. So not all the times, as you can see here, not all the times it will load up an ad. So you'll be lucky if it doesn't. But for me, I'm just lucky a while ago. But yeah. So that's really pretty much it for that option. And in the library section here, you pretty much will see everything that's been generated within the application here as well. So you can go ahead and delete it, but it will automatically be deleted within 7 days. And as well, you can tap on the Pro option at the top here to pretty much see your subscription prices and everything that they offer. So here you got a year subscription and a weekly subscription, and pretty much your prices as it relates to your subscription. So nothing much for that. Yeah, so that's really pretty much the application. If I missed anything at all, just let me know in the comment section, and I'll see if I can help you. See you in the next one.